Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop dishwashers, the COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher and the Ehrlich's Countertop Dishwasher. In this video, we'll explore their features, specifications, and how they stack up against each other in terms of performance, convenience, and value. Whether you're living in an apartment, RV, or just looking to save space in your kitchen, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Let's start with the price. The COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher is priced at $309, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the Ehrlich's Countertop Dishwasher, which retails for $359. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution, the COMFEE model might be the better choice. Next, let's talk about installation. The COMFEE model requires a direct faucet connection, which can limit where you can place it. On the other hand, the Ehrlich's model offers a dual water supply system, allowing it to connect to a faucet or draw water from a bucket. This flexibility makes it easier to set up in various locations. Finally, let's compare the noise levels. The COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher operates at 49 decibels, which can be noticeable in small spaces. In contrast, the Ehrlich's model boasts a significantly quieter operation at just 20 decibels, making it an excellent choice for those who prioritize a peaceful environment while doing the dishes. In conclusion, both the COMFEE and Ehrlich's countertop dishwashers have their strengths and weaknesses. The COMFEE model is more affordable and offers a variety of washing programs, while the Ehrlich's model provides greater flexibility and quieter operation. Depending on your needs and preferences, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like